Welcome to Pydle Day 160. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a macaw from, as featured in the film Blue. You can see this one's flying. So have a go at solving today's Pydle. If you're new to Pydle or you're new to Python, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was a potion bottle with a black heart emoji on it. Okay, I will normally do just a simple solution. If you want very advanced solutions, have a look on Reddit. There are plenty there. Okay, so there's a lot of symmetry there, so I'm going to use Cartesian coordinates, so -2, 3 for x, and just normal Pydle coordinates for y. Okay, so let's tackle the white pixels first. So if absolute value of x equals 2 and y not in, and then the two y rows we need to exclude is 2 and 3. Okay, Pydle white, and then I need to convert back to Pydle coordinates, so that we just basically 2 plus x. Okay, there you go. We've got the outline of the bottle. Next, we're going to do the blues. So aleph, and now absolute value of x equals 2. Let's do that first. Okay, and then you can see it's rows 1 and 4 on y, or y in 1, 4. Oops. I mistyped. Okay, and now we need to exclude that one pixel. It will be purple. So we say and create a tuple of x, y not equal, and now we just find the coordinates of that pixel, which is 0, 1. Okay, so that excludes that pixel there. Now the top one, just the brown and the orange, because what we want to do is leave the purples for last, and then we can just tackle that with a single else statement. So aleph y equals 0. Okay, and then we can do both of those. There, let's say orange if x equals 0, else brown. Okay, so slowly building up the image, and lastly the purples, just do a single else. Okay, so do that purple. Okay, that doesn't solve the Pydle. We still need that black heart emoji. Okay, so there's the black heart emoji. And where do we need that? If, okay, so x equals 0. So if x equals 0, and what is y? Y is 2. So if you do y minus 2, that would equal to 0 as well. That's just a compact way that Python allows us to kind of chaining comparisons. So x equals 0 equals y minus 2. Okay, so that solves the Pydle. Hope you had fun solving that. Do try today's Pydle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.